Hey guys, in this video, I will show you the fastest way to reduce CPU temperature. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The fastest way to reduce your CPU temperature is by adjusting your power plan settings. First, head over to Search and type in Edit Power Plan, then click on it. Once you're inside, click on Change Advanced Power Settings to open the detailed options. From there, scroll down and expand Processor Power Management, then click on Maximum Processor State. By default, on battery and plugged in, both is set to 100%. You'll want to change this to a value between 90 and 100. Keep in mind that lowering it below 100% can slightly impact gaming performance, so it's best to experiment and see what works for you. For the games I play, setting it to 90% works perfectly and noticeably lowers CPU temperature without causing issues. Once you've applied the change, your CPU should run cooler. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.